issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Kendall County and northeast Illinois, northeastern LaSalle County and north central Illinois until noon. At 11:13 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Somonauk and moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows and vehicles. Locations impacted include Millington. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio, WXK 20.
Here we go.